Good morning, students. You know very well that the world is currently going through the huge problem, and the name of the problem is COVID 19. This problem, this COVID 19, has been declared a pandemic by WHO, which has badly shaken the world. All sectors of the country, be agriculture, be education, medical, service sectors, all are being jolted, badly jolted because of this disease. And we all are constantly receiving messages on the platform of the social media from our students, and I got that our students are much worried about their studies. So I can't say that your worries are without reason, because very well we can understand and realize that all sources of teaching and learning are now closed, and you all are just to explore a new way of life. So here I'm just to say that means you need not at all to worry about your study, because means being a human being, and we have to just fulfill the need of time. We have to just cope up with this change time. This change time is inviting a new approach, new methods to lead in life. So you have to just change means way of life, and you have to just adopt a method, a new methods through which you can access your knowledge, and through you can enhance your knowledge, and through you can contribute to society. So many responsibility have arrived on your soldiers, and you have to just discharge all those responsibility. So you have to just understand these things, that you all are grown up children. So your responsibility that should be ensured in all possible ways. When you talk about your study, it means as a student you are just thinking about your study, but here you have to think that you have to contribute to society also. And how you can contribute to society? Just you have to spread awareness by your slogan, by your story. When you all are on WhatsApp and through your message, you have to just maintain a ray of hope to yourselves and to other also, because this is the only way through which we can pass this time. Because this the period of the lockdown, that is a more than sufficient period. As elder says that to cultivate a new habit we require only 21 days. And so after a first lockdown, which has been of the 21 days and which is extended up to 3 May, and this period is more than sufficient. So this period can be utilized to adopt, and can be utilized to develop new thoughts, new approach in our life. Means how we can enhance our knowledge, how we can discharge our responsibility on so many points. You all are just to think and do something, and don't sit idly just remembering your past day, because so many things are further. You have to just take this time as a challenge, as an opportunity. Means in this time how we all are doing, the fruits can be seen in near future, and you will satisfied on your performance, on your efforts. So you students you students not to study only staying at your home, but you all are just to convince your relative, friends and colleague that anyhow they have to support and help the government in the fight of covid against COVID-19. And how you and your friends can fight, I think mostly people they are aware that in which way they can support the government. You all are just to follow all precautions, means like wearing masks and frequently washing hands and to sanitize your hands. I mean, these all are means precautions. Means you have to just maintain social distance also. It doesn't mean, when I'm saying that you all are to maintain social distance, it doesn't mean that you have to maintain distance of hurt. You have, means this time you all are to be unite, because being together you can fight against corona. And until if any solution comes to us, we cannot take any risk. Anyhow, we have to stay at home, and staying at home we have to do all things what we can do living in our home. So this way you all are just to be strong, and you have to make other also strong. Means convince them to download Arogya Setu app, and through which you can also help the government. Because when you will download this app, and through your mobile number, when your mobile number will be registered, and means you will be tracked, and sometime you will also get notification when you are in the danger zone. So only you are not to download this app, but you have to convince your friends and relatives to do that. This way you will extend your help, and you will support the government in this combat against COVID-19. Now, at the last, I just want to say that you all are strictly follow all precaution and keep up the advisory issued time to time by government, and just discharge your responsibility of citizens. Be calm and compose, and do your best. That's it. With this, good wishes. Thank you.